Welcome to OLO.
When you take our names out, it messes you up every time.
No, I got it. Yeah. Welcome to OLOPRD, and go ahead and subscribe if you like our channel. Yep, good enough. I'm just getting your very top face.
You can go to my poopies.
I don't need to because I'm trying to get these.
Okay.
Oh. We did go ahead and put these rafters up, and basically it just gives it more support because we don't want a flimsy, we don't want it to be flimsy. We want it to have integrity in build.
These roofs are notoriously for flapping. They say it's okay to let them flap, but it makes a lot of noise. And since we're going to be living in this space, we don't want that noise.
And it makes it stronger too.
Plus, it makes it stronger.
Mm-hmm.
And it allows us to have good insulation in the ceiling. We can now put regular insulation in here and then put instead of trying to screw wood to the metal, yeah, we'll be able to use a nail gun or wood screws to...
Yeah, so we can attach to the board now instead of just to the metal.
And it gives us space for our ceiling lights and anything else.
Yeah, and the ceiling lights and, you know, things that you need to run up in the ceiling or attic. We can call that almost a little attic, yeah, where you can put little wires and different things to hide stuff and make it more like a tiny house, right, you know. But we did, I wanted to show you that this is the board, of course, and we put a little bit of a arch on it. We put a little arch on it just to make sure it wasn't flat up here, to make sure there was an arch already. And then Curtis said, if you put it this way up here, then it bows in the middle. But if you do it
on this.
Huh?
Do this. Okay.
Oh. So if you do it like this, it has a little sag to it.
Sag.
Especially under pressure.
Or driving down the road.
Mm-hmm. So we did it like this to give it...
And then if you push on that, it doesn't move.
It's a lot stronger upward versus horizontal.
Yeah, and over time, bumps and roads, and it'll make the roof kind of springy, and we're trying to avoid that.
Yep. So I think Curtis is definitely helping me out and teaching me stuff that I would never thought about or cared about prior. So after we do when we put these up here, we screw it from outside in also. Right. I forgot to say that. And we put 2 screws on each side, and that gives it a lot of support. So these are really strong. If I could jump and hang on them, I could, but I just can't get my hand grips on it.
That's good. That means it's snug.
Snug as a rug in a bug. Wait. Snug as a bug in a rug.
Snug as a bug in a rug.
Snug as a bug in a rug.
There you go.
Because I got to give it a tug. What?
Sounds a little odd.
That sounds very odd. Sorry.
Yes. Very odd.
This video is primarily about paint.
We painted the entire box, front, side, roof, everything.
Yes.
You don't look very relaxed.
Relax. I'm totally relaxed.
You know, if you put 2 hands in it, it would clean better.
You know what, Curtis?
There you go.
Shut up.
Look at those toes, curled.
First coat. After 2 coats of the elastomer, it looks really good.
Johnny conquering his fear of heights. As long as he can hold on, he's good.
Yeah.
So we're doing
one hand here.
That's right.
And one hand will be here later on.
You can put your harness on and hook it to that thing.
Yeah. We should put your harness on and hook you to the rafters.
Oh, that would have been so much easier, y'all.
I know.
Now y'all talk about that.
He's got so far to go.
Yeah, you got too much paint.
So this is our, it's not rhino lining, but it's something like it. It's supposed to be one of the best metal paints. He'll click in the name of it, so I can't remember it.
Click, click,
Click, click.
click, click.
Picasso he is not, but he's a good painter.
To do it, but we have not been motivated to do anything since. We have been like overly tired, the weather's been crappy, it's just not been our week. My mom's been kind of sick, so we've been Curtis has been taking her to all of her doctor visits and everything in New Orleans, and that's about a 2-hour drive from here, and he has to go back tomorrow, and then she has surgery. We have a lot going on right now, and I think that's why the motivation isn't there to finish right now, because we can't leave anyway, because we have to make sure she gets well before we leave, and it's going to be a brain surgery, so just I think we're more motivated now that we kind of went through the hurdle of paint, because I hate the paint.
But you did good.
I really did. What is your favorite part? You don't like painting either, do you? Yeah, we don't like painting, and I think that's kind of what it is.
So this is our new color.
Yep, gray.
It's nice, light gray. It looks good.
And
We're
you can
happy
see
with that.
the little the sand on it.
Mm-hmm.
We're not sure if we really like the color.
But it's fine.
I wish it was a hair bit darker, but
Yes.
beggars can't be choosers, and we spent way too much money on this paint anyway, so we're happy
Yeah, it's
with
about
it.
$135 a gallon, and it took the 2 full gallons. So
I guess that's not too bad. If it lasts as good as it's supposed to last,
Right.
It ain't too bad. So next week we will have another video out for you, and we get to show you more about what we're doing inside versus outside. So we love y'all. Thank you for following. Oh, don't forget to
like,
share,
subscribe.
and hit that bell. And hit that bell notification.
Bing.
Bing.